the describe image class with a pie chart on the screen. We can see the title which reads loss reasons, and there are different categories why the sales are lost. So here in the class we are understanding how to make quick notes, how to make a good sample answer following the 3 steps. We will focus how our sentences should be strong and perfect, and we will also memorize few words so that we can use the same sentence structures and the words in our next task. So here we go. The first thing is understand the picture properly and quickly make some notes. How to manage the time, how to go with everything, we will see it in our later classes. As of now, slow and steady wins the race. My major context is everyone should get a good score in their examinations. So for that, it is understanding the question and it is making good sentences and yes, being away from the general templates. Okay, because we all have studied something. We understand the language. So little bit of organization will certainly take us through. So let's see. The title says Lost Reasons. What are these lost reasons? It is regarding competition, which was 14%. Then it is not qualified, standing at 32%. Salespeople 15%, price 11%, and timing 28%. What have I done? I have made some quick notes. As in when I was reading, I have made the notes. So this is the form. Now, we have to go in the order of largest to the lowest. So again, I have put them in correct order. Not qualified is 32, timing is 28, salesperson 15, competition 14, and price is 11. We are not making it very different. We are going in a very simple way. And if you want to make very short and quick notes, the next step is instead of writing the full form, go with quickness. That is NQ32. SP, that is salespeople, is 15. Yes, I forget the timings here. So it is timings 28%. C stands for competition 14%. P 11. P is for price. Okay. Now we go into the third step process, which is introduce what the image shows. So what is the image showing? It speaks about the lost sales. Little bit given attention to the question and it is the lost reasons. What are these lost reasons? The reasons of the sales to become less. So here is the clear sentence. The pie chart shows the reasons for lost sales. Okay, first sentence is clearly done. What is the second part? The main details, the biggest and the smallest numbers. We have already kept it in the clear order. So our note-taking strategy is also perfect. Now, we speak about the highest and the lowest numbers. So the sentences, the biggest reason is not qualified with 32%. In our last class, we have worked on a preposition which is at. Now here we have taken a preposition with. How do we use that? It is the superlative degree, that is the biggest, the major, the smallest. Then it is the reason, the biggest reason, the maximum reason, the minimum reason. According to the context, you can use the phrase. Then it is the helping verb, which is the word is. Then it is the part of the pie chart, whatever you are talking about. So here we are talking about non-qualified. Okay, what is it? With, and then you speak about the percentage. So it is the biggest reason is not qualified with 32%. Following the next, that is the continuation. So you have used a cohesive device. cohesive device. Next is timing with 28%. Here it is given only timing. So just say timing. Don't say timings. Please don't change the words which are given in the pie chart or in the question. So it is cohesive device we have used next, and helping verb is, and then it is the part of the pie chart with the preposition with and the percentage. So how is the sentence going? The second is timing with 28%. If you're practicing on your own, then write a sentence and check it with these slashes in the middle. Try to be your own teacher so that you don't make mistakes. So we are going perfectly in order. It is the cohesive device, it is the helping verb, it is the part of the pie chart, it is the preposition, and it is the percentage. How clear the sentence. You all can easily command. Now the third one. So the connecting devices, then. The cohesive devices, then. It is sales. So subject, it is salespersons at 15%. Here the helping verb is already taken. So it is salesperson at 15%, competition at 14%, and price at 11%. What we have shown? We have shown a preposition at. Earlier we have taken the word with. Slowly we will accumulate all the grammar words and all the sentence patterns also. Slow and steady. So this is the part 2. Earlier we took at, now we have taken with. How is the sentence going? Then it is salesperson at 15%, competition at 14%, and price at 11%. And then it is overall, the last part. What is it? Summarize overall trend. What we shall do is, slowly if we are learning all these patterns, words, then we can go with time, and we can go with instant rehearsal. We shall see the question and instantly we can make an answer. So here we see the last sentence. Overall, most sales are lost because people are not qualified, and the least reason is price. It is your interest. If you want to mention the overall statement, it is well and good. And if the time is not sufficient or you are not making a command on it, then leave it. At least you focus that the first 3 or 2 sentences are perfect. Okay, now let's see how the words are. What sort of words we have learnt in this session? The major, the least, the minor. Major is big, important, and main. Sometimes we use the words and we really don't understand why we are using also. Minor means small or less important. Least is the smallest reason. What is the grammar we have studied here? It is the prepositions and with. Revise the sample answer one more time. Keep the picture on your screen and try to say the sample answer either in the way we have taught you, or you make your own sample answer. This is the good way of learning. Okay then, happy learning.